Welcome to Motorvlog Village. Welcome to Motorvlog Village on YouTube. We're excited to have you join our growing community where the passion for motorcycles and vlogging comes alive. Here at Motorvlog Village, you'll find a diverse range of content from thrilling ride-alongs and scenic adventures to gear reviews and practical tutorials. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates and immerse yourself in the world of motorcycle vlogging. Whether you're looking for inspiration for your next ride or tips to enhance your own vlogging skills, our videos offer something for every motorcycle enthusiast. Thank you for tuning in. Let's hit the road and make some great memories together. We're thrilled to have you join our vibrant community of motorcycle enthusiasts and content creators. Here at Motorvlog Village, we blend the thrill of the open road with the art of vlogging, creating a unique space where you can share your riding adventures, connect with like-minded individuals, and explore the world of motorcycling through dynamic video content. Motorvlog Village, a comprehensive description. Motorvlog Village is a vibrant, interactive platform designed for enthusiasts of motorcycle vlogging. This unique online community serves as a haven for both amateur and professional riders who wish to share their experiences, showcase their journeys, and engage with a passionate audience. Here, vlogging meets motorcycling in an exciting blend that captures the essence of adventure and storytelling. 1. Community Overview. Motorvlog Village thrives on its sense of community. It's not just a website, but a dynamic social network where users can connect, collaborate, and share their love for motorcycles. The platform is designed to facilitate the exchange of ideas, tips, and experiences among motorcycle vloggers. It fosters a culture of mutual respect and enthusiasm, providing a space where members can discuss various aspects of motorcycling, from technical details to travel stories.
Number 2. Features and functionality. The platform boasts several features tailored to the needs of motorcycle vloggers. Video upload and sharing. Users can upload their vlogs directly to the platform. The video player supports high-definition content, ensuring that every ride and adventure is showcased in its full glory. Additionally, the platform allows for easy sharing of videos across social media channels, expanding the reach of each vlogger's content. Interactive map. One of the standout features is the interactive map that displays vlogs based on their geographical location. This feature allows users to explore vlogs from different regions, making it easier to discover new destinations and gain insights into various locales. Community forums. The forums are a hub for discussion, where members can engage in conversations about motorcycling techniques, gear reviews, and travel tips. These forums also serve as a space for vlogger collaborations and feedback exchanges. Event listings. Motorvlog Village regularly updates its event listings with information about motorcycle events, meetups, and rallies. This feature helps vloggers and enthusiasts stay informed about upcoming events where they can network and showcase their work. Customization options. Vloggers can personalize their profiles with custom banners, logos, and descriptions. This customization allows them to build their brand and make their content stand out. Number 3. Content and categories. The content on Motorvlog Village is diverse, catering to various interests within the motorcycling community. Travel vlogs. These vlogs capture the journey of riders exploring new locations, providing viewers with a virtual tour of scenic routes, hidden gems, and local cultures. Gear reviews. Vloggers often review motorcycle gear, including helmets, jackets, and accessories. These reviews help fellow riders make informed decisions about their purchases. Tutorials and how-tos. Instructional content is abundant, with vloggers sharing tips on motorcycle maintenance, riding techniques, and safety practices. These tutorials are valuable resources for both novice and experienced riders. Daily rides and adventures. Many vloggers document their daily rides and spontaneous adventures, offering a glimpse into their lives and the diverse experiences they encounter on the road.
Number 4. Audience engagement. Motorvlog Village places a strong emphasis on audience engagement. The platform encourages users to leave comments, share their opinions, and interact with vloggers. This interaction creates a feedback loop that helps vloggers refine their content and build a loyal following. Additionally, the platform features user-generated polls and surveys to gauge community interests and preferences. Number 5. Monetization opportunities. Recognizing the effort and creativity that goes into vlogging, Motorvlog Village offers several monetization options for its members. Add revenue. Vloggers can earn revenue through placements within their videos. This provides an additional incentive for creating high-quality content. Sponsorships. The platform facilitates connections between vloggers and potential sponsors. This partnership can lead to sponsored content, product placements, and collaborative projects. Merchandise sales. Vloggers can set up virtual stores to sell branded merchandise, such as t-shirts, mugs, and stickers. This not only generates income but also helps in promoting their personal brand. Number 6. Support and resources. Motorvlog Village is committed to supporting its members. It offers various resources to help vloggers improve their content and grow their audience. Tutorials and guides. The platform provides access to tutorials on video editing, camera equipment, and content creation strategies. These resources help vloggers enhance their technical skills and produce professional quality videos. Technical support. A dedicated support team is available to assist with technical issues, ensuring that vloggers can focus on their content without being bogged down by platform-related problems. Networking opportunities. Regular webinars, workshops, and networking events are organized to help vloggers connect with industry experts, other vloggers, and potential collaborators. Last, number 7. Future developments. Motorvlog Village is constantly evolving to meet the needs of its community. Future developments include enhanced analytics tools for vloggers to track their performance, improved video streaming capabilities, and expanded mobile features to ensure that users can engage with the platform on the go. In summary, Motorvlog Village stands out as a comprehensive and engaging platform for motorcycle vloggers. It combines the thrill of motorcycling with the art of vlogging, creating a vibrant community where enthusiasts can share their adventures, connect with others, and turn their passion into a fulfilling experience. Whether you're a seasoned vlogger or just starting out, Motorvlog Village offers the tools, resources, and community support needed to thrive in the world of motorcycle vlogging.
Thanks for joining us on this ride with Motorvlog Village. We hope you enjoyed the content and found inspiration for your own motorcycle adventures. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos. Your support helps us bring more exciting and engaging content to the community. Keep the wheels turning and the cameras rolling. We look forward to seeing you on the road and in the comments. Until next time, ride safe and keep vlogging.